In the whirlwind of modern life, peace can feel elusive. Stress and distractions pull us in countless directions. Finding stillness within becomes a sanctuary. Meditation offers this sanctuary. It's a journey inward, a retreat for the soul. Begin by finding a comfortable posture. Your spine is straight yet relaxed. Close your eyes gently. Feel the weight of your body grounding you. This is your time, your space to reconnect. Breathing is the bridge between body and mind. Become aware of each inhale and exhale. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the air gently passing through your nostrils. Breathe deeply, slowly, and rhythmically. With each breath, you invite calmness into your being. The mind begins to settle. Thoughts may still arise, but observe them without judgment. Like waves on the ocean, thoughts come and go. Don't chase them or cling to them. Simply acknowledge them and let them pass. Your breath is your anchor, keeping you grounded in the present moment. As you breathe deeply, your awareness shifts inward. Feel the life force pulsing within you. Notice the gentle rhythm of your heart. Be present in your body. Each inhale brings oxygen, nourishing every cell. Each exhale releases what no longer serves you. Feel the tension melting away. Your body relaxes into a state of ease. This is the power of deep breathing. It calms the nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. It creates space for healing and rejuvenation. Your body is your temple. Treat it with reverence and care. Listen to its wisdom. It will guide you on your journey to inner peace. With each breath, your mind begins to settle. Thoughts may still arise, but they no longer consume you. You are the observer, watching them drift by like clouds in the sky. The chatter of the mind quiets down. You enter a state of stillness, a sanctuary of peace within. This is where true clarity resides. This is where you connect with your inner wisdom. Don't judge your thoughts or try to silence them completely. Simply observe them without attachment. Like waves on the ocean, they will eventually subside. In the stillness, you find peace, you find clarity, you find yourself. The present moment is all that truly exists. The past is gone, the future is yet to come. By focusing on your breath, you anchor yourself in the here and now. Embrace this moment fully. Feel the air on your skin, the weight of your body, the sounds surrounding you. Engage your senses and awaken to the beauty of the present. Let go of regrets and worries. They have no place in this moment of peace. Embrace the freedom that comes from releasing the past and the future. In the now, you find peace. You find joy. You find life itself. Imagine a river flowing effortlessly downstream. The water moves with grace and ease, encountering rocks and bends along the way. Your thoughts are like this river. Each thought a ripple on the surface. Some ripples may be gentle, others more turbulent. Observe them without judgment. As you see, you are so as you would watch the river flow. Resisting your thoughts is like trying to dam the river. It creates tension, a buildup of energy that disrupts the natural flow. Instead, choose to witness. Your breath is the shore, a constant presence. As you breathe deeply, you create space for your thoughts to flow without overwhelming you. When we cling to thoughts, we create suffering. We replay past events, worry about the future, and get caught in cycles of negativity. Letting go is key. Imagine each thought as a leaf on the river's surface. Some leaves may linger, but eventually they too will be carried away by the current. Trust this process. Surrender to the flow. Don't judge your thoughts as good or bad. Simply observe them without attachment. This is the essence of meditation. As you release resistance, you create space for peace, clarity, and inner wisdom to emerge. The river of your thoughts becomes a source of tranquility. Life is a journey of constant change, just as the river is always in motion. Embrace the ebb and flow of your thoughts, knowing that stillness lies beneath the surface. When thoughts arise, acknowledge them with gentle awareness. Don't try to stop them or analyze them. Simply observe or assert their presence and let them pass. The more you practice letting go, the easier it becomes. Like a river carving its path over time, you create a deeper channel for inner peace to flow. Meditation is not about emptying your mind, but about befriending it. It's about finding stillness amidst the movement, peace within the chaos. As you continue to observe your thoughts without judgment, a profound shift occurs. You realize that you are not your thoughts. You are the observer, the witness. Beneath the surface of the river, there is a deep, unwavering stillness. This stillness is your true nature, your essence. It is always present, regardless of the thoughts that may arise. Connect with this stillness within. Feel the peace that resides in the depths of your being. This is the source of your power, your wisdom, your infinite potential. Embrace the flow of life, knowing that you are always anchored in the stillness within. This is the gift of meditation, a journey to the heart of your true self. Beyond the breath, beyond the mind, lies a deeper energy. This energy flows through you, a vibrant life force connecting your physical body to your spiritual essence. These are your chakras. Imagine 7 spinning wheels of energy, each a different color, each governing specific aspects of your being. From the base of your spine to the crown of your head, these chakras influence your emotions, thoughts, and well-being. When your chakras are balanced and aligned, energy flows freely and you experience harmony. When a chakra is blocked or imbalanced, you may feel physical or emotional discomfort. Through meditation and visualization, you can awaken and balance your chakras, restoring the natural flow of energy within. Begin by bringing your awareness to the base of your spine. Awakening the base. At the base of your spine, nestled in the pelvic floor, lies the root chakra, a vibrant red. It connects you to the earth, grounding you in stability, security, and survival. Visualize a warm red light emanating from your root chakra. Feel the earth's energy rising up through your feet, grounding you in the present moment. Allow any fear or insecurity to melt away. Affirm, I am grounded, I am safe, I am supported. Feel the stability of the earth beneath you, a solid foundation for your journey. As the red light intensifies, feel your connection to the physical world strengthen. You are present, grounded, and rooted in your being. Rising through the centers. Moving upwards, bring your awareness to the area just below your navel. Here resides the sacral chakra, a radiant orange, governing creativity, passion, and sensuality. Visualize a vibrant orange light swirling in your sacral chakra. Feel your creative energy awakening, your senses heightened. Embrace your emotions with acceptance and allow them to flow freely. Affirm, I am creative, I am passionate, I embrace my emotions. Feel the warmth of the orange light igniting your inner fire, your zest for life. Continue this journey upwards, visualizing each chakra in turn: the solar plexus, yellow; heart, green; throat, blue; third eye, indigo; and finally the crown, violet. The crown of light. At the crown of your head, imagine a 1,000-petaled lotus bathed in a radiant violet light. This is your crown chakra, your connection to the divine, to universal consciousness. Visualize a pure white light entering through your crown chakra, cascading down through each energy center, filling your entire being with light. Feel a sense of peace, unity, and oneness with all that is. Affirm, I am connected, I am loved, I am whole. Let go of limitations and embrace the infinite possibilities that reside within you. As you bathe in the radiant light of your crown chakra, feel a profound sense of gratitude for this journey, for the wisdom and healing that meditation brings. The white light emanating from your crown chakra begins to expand, radiating outwards, filling every cell of your being with its luminous glow. Feel the warmth, the lightness, as it permeates your entire existence. This light is pure energy, pure consciousness, transforming you from within. It washes away any remaining tension, any negativity, leaving you feeling cleansed and renewed. Observe as this light extends beyond your physical form, enveloping you in a radiant aura. This is your energy field, vibrant and strong, radiating the peace and harmony you have cultivated within. You are a being of light, connected to the source of all creation. Embrace this truth, this radiant transformation that is taking place within you. Feel the energy flowing freely through your chakras, now balanced and aligned. Each breath is like a gentle wave, harmonizing your body, mind, and spirit. You are a symphony of energy, vibrating at a higher frequency. Experience this harmony, this sense of wholeness that permeates your entire being. This is the power of meditation, to connect with your inner light, to restore balance, and to experience the profound peace that resides within. Embrace this feeling, this sense of interconnectedness, knowing that you are a part of something much greater than yourself. As you gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings, carry this feeling of peace and harmony with you. Let it infuse your thoughts, your words, and your actions. Take a moment to express gratitude for this practice, for the opportunity to connect with your inner self. Cultivate a feeling of appreciation for the present moment, for the gift of life itself. Know that this inner peace is always available to you. Whenever you feel lost, overwhelmed, or disconnected, return to your breath, return to this practice, and reconnect with the light within. The journey of meditation is ongoing. Embrace the process, be patient with yourself, and trust in the transformative power of this practice. As you gradually return from this meditative journey, Carry the stillness within you. The world may swirl with its usual chaos, but you have found a sanctuary of peace. This peace is not merely the absence of noise or distractions, it's a deep knowing, a quiet strength that emanates from your core. You carry this sanctuary within you, always accessible. Life's challenges may still arise, but you now face them from a place of centeredness. You respond, not react, with clarity and compassion for yourself and others. This is the transformation that unfolds through regular meditation. You become a beacon of peace, radiating a gentle strength that inspires those around you. The light you cultivated within is meant to be shared. Let your actions, your words, your very presence be a testament to the power of inner peace. Embrace moments of stillness throughout your day, a few conscious breaths, a moment of gratitude, a quiet connection with nature can recenter and revitalize you. The more you nurture your inner sanctuary, the brighter your light shines. You become a source of healing, a catalyst for positive change in your own life and the world around you. Embrace the practice. Be patient with yourself and trust in the transformative power of meditation. Let your light shine. Practice this meditation every day, gradually increasing the time to about 20 minutes at a time of your choice. But try and do this at the same time every day. Remember, this is a lifelong journey of growth and self-discovery.